In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Rise of the Tomb Raider. Check my video description for this mod manager download link. Right click and select vendor and select extract to. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drop this extracted folder inside the game. Now open the extracted folder, scroll down and double click on this exe, more info and select run anyway option. Select the correct game you are now playing. Rise of the Tomb Raider. Right now I have and select OK option. You just need to navigate to your game folder. Select the game folder and select open option and select this exe and select open. Wait for this to done. This time we go for installing mods. Check my video description for this mod site link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this stress mod. Select the manual download option and select slow download option. Once download done, go back. In mod manager, select this first icon, install mod from archive and navigate to downloads and select the mod and select open option. Once you install the mod, this way you can install lots of mods. I will show you guys the address in game. Once you are in game, go near to this campsite, press E, select the weapons, select the stress, scroll down, choose the dress we just added right now. Not this one, try this one. As you can see, the dress loads successful. Press the escape key and the settings will be saved. And now you can enjoy the game with using this dress, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.